This character produces, gives us peace with God, and all of us always seek peace. Even as we do our duties, we seek. The love of God has been poured into our hearts through the Spirit that has been given.
So what is there is
that we all have, that God's grace, on which we stand, and the grace that we...
I will be collecting the statistics that I'll share next week when we complete the exercise. So far, there are a number of arrests that have taken place in Siaya. There were a number of arrests that took place in Eldoret, and all of them relate to adults. The students are not really part and parcel of that particular syndicate. And I want to inform the Kenyans that once the arrests are done, the investigations are ongoing, and those investigations will be able to reveal the extent of the cartels that are involved in these particular attempts. And once we determine, we'll then be able to proceed with the prosecutions and ensure that whoever is involved faces the full force of the law.